Hello everyone. So today we'll see how we can convert simple Word tables into a fillable PDF form using Nitro. I actually decided to do this because I had to create some for my organization and I had to look around a lot of resources. So I thought, okay, let me create something on this. So here is my demo form. So these kind of forms can be used for research surveys, leadership assessments, personal assessments, and some general surveys as well. So here is the demo form that I have, which I created. On the left are some criteria, and on the right I have options such as yes, no, and maybe. And I want my users to be able to check whatever option they want to. So the two things you would want to keep in mind for your Word document here. First, all the rows here should have a consistent height. So adjust your text in a way that they have consistent height. It just makes your work in the Nitro PDF easier. And then the columns here also have the same width. So basically all these cells are equal. So the only other thing now I'm going to do is I'm going to make these cells, these outlines invisible. So I go to table properties and here I am just going to make it invisible so that I can draw those in Nitro PDF. So here we go. This is my PDF with blank on the right side. Now the next few steps, I would go to Forms and create a checkbox that's almost the row and the height of the cell I want. I'm going to leave just a millimeter gap so that it helps me in alignment. And I'm going to draw this again. Just a little bit of gap. And that's the box I want. Now I go to Properties and then I am going to make copies as many you want. You can select as many. Now I know I have 10 rows and 3 columns, so that's what I would select here. Now, Nitro has a magic tool for alignment. You don't have to worry about manually aligning each one of them together. No. Now you would just select all of them, Control A on Windows, go to Alignment, and here where you see spacing, we can adjust, we can bring them closer the way we want this to be. You can always play around with the space to keep it the way you want it. So that should not be a problem. So this is how I would want to keep it. And now I can just go here and see what it would look like, which looks pretty okay. Now I'm going to go back to Forms. So another thing I want to mention here is when you want to create multiple pages the way I was creating, then you would just duplicate this. So when you create multiple pages, one thing you would want to keep in mind that on the second page, so for Nitro, each checkbox should have a unique name so that the results are unique. So if you have created a page, it has cloned the name of the checkboxes. So you would manually have to go and change each checkbox so that it's not same as what it was on the first page. So this is how I would just keep on changing it until I have the whole thing. And then it makes it unique from the first page. But for our thing here, I'll just delete this for now. And we'll see what the first page looks like. Now I'm going to save this first page and we will see what a web version of this looks like. Now this is what this form looks like on the web page. So here you see you can check, uncheck, check, uncheck, and there are no overlaps. Each cell has its unique entry. So that looks good. I hope you liked this training. If you did, you can just hit the like button, and I really hope it was beneficial for you. Thank you.